Hello, I'm Oswald. Glad to see you on my channel. Today we're raising the bar a bit. We'll dive into a strategy that will completely change your attitude towards trading. Throughout the video, I'll share some very effective tips on finding entry points. Start using them and improve your results today. Now let's get started. You can find a detailed analysis of popular trading strategies in my trader community on Telegram. There, we constantly exchange the most effective trading tips and tricks. Openly share all knowledge and experience that I have accumulated over 20 years of trading. This experience has helped me achieve a success rate of 90.2% and make several million. Every day I host live trading sessions for my subscribers. At the designated time, I share the parameters of my trades, such as pairs, entry points, and movement forecasts. To become part of our team, join our Telegram channel using the link in the description below and the first pinned comment. I'm just about set to start trading. Got questions about setting up the platform? I go over all of that on my Telegram channel. Now, first things first, let's get our indicator set up. For Bollinger Bands, set the period to 7 and the deviation to 1.01. Now, adjust all the line styles to 2 pixels and make the top line white. Keep the middle line green and set the bottom one for red. Now, this combo of indicators is widely used because it's highly effective. It helps identify volatility and potential price movements with great accuracy. You'll be able to spot those critical breakout points like a pro. Now the MACD. We're thickening the lines and tweaking the histogram colors. Make the up pink and the down green. Now why? I break it all down on my Telegram channel. So we're all set now, and let's dive into trading. And first up, Aussie and Kiwi. I'm expecting a downtrend, so I'm hitting the lower button. I'll explain to you why. The price reached its high point and then the trend reversed. This isn't a temporary rebound, so it's a new trend supported by the frequent bearish candles and changes both in the indicators. Now their lines have also shifted direction. The chart indicates a volatile situation with the candles fluctuating near the entry point. However, in this market, accurately predicting the price movement is crucial for achieving positive results. Now, the key is to determine the correct price direction, rather than difference between the entry and the closing points, like here, as in other markets. Great. Now, the trade closed in our favor. That was quite nerve-wracking. The account balance is now 9. Now, let's continue. Now, our second pair. Adjusting the amount to 9, I'm going long here. So, press the button, and here's why. After a substantial downward trend, the chart has touched the previous support level. It's likely that buyers will strive to hold this level again. And another successful trade. I enjoy trading immensely. It's the fastest way to get returns. Now let's move on. And now we're looking at the Aussie and Canadian dollar pair, and I'm going to put 17 and hit higher. Now you see here the price dropped the support level and is currently moving sideways. So from the entry point, I expect an upward trend. Now the tight compression in both indicators points toward a possible trend reversal. Starting trading on your own is always tough. You're using your own savings, but you don't really understand trading. And all the advice on the internet just doesn't seem to work. I get it because I've been there too. That's why I created a Telegram channel for beginners in trading. Here you can find support and learn the basics of trading without risking your savings. On my channel, I host open trading sessions where I share entry points for trades that I'm making myself. This allows my subscribers to make an average of $750 a day just by copying my trades. The feedback I receive daily is incredibly inspiring. People tell me how I've helped them solve their personal problems, pay their tuition, or make their dream purchases. You can become part of our community too. Just click the first link in the description or the pinned comment to join our Telegram channel. Hurry, because the access is free for the next few days only. Now remember, it's all about finding the right direction, not the price gap. I'm sitting at 33 now, and let's keep rolling. Jumping to the dirham and yuan pair, raising the investment, so going long. Now the price is pretty high, so it might be the end of the trend. So from what I've seen, I think the buyers still have enough power to push it in a bit more. This is where being experienced really pays off, understanding the chart and reading the indicators. Heading back to Aussie and Kiwi pair. Now raising the investment to 61. The outlook is bearish, so we go down. Now these long green candles mean the bullish trend is cooling off and a reversal is on the way. Besides, the MACD has been showing bearish control for a while now. So this last push from the buyers sent the candle above the upper Bollinger Bands, which clearly indicates a trend reversal. Now the balance is up again, time for the next step. And the Aussie and Swiss pair doesn't look promising, so I'll switch to the Aussie and Canadian. I'm investing 117. Analyzing the chart, I see an opportunity for a long position, so let's go short. I recall discussing similar scenario on my Telegram channel a few weeks back. So the chart showed several wicks above the upper bands without breaching the resistance level. Now the Bollinger Bands are tuning downward, now indicating a potential reversal. So now the return from this trade is 224. This proves how crucial it is to pick and mix the right indicators for solid technical analysis. Now the dirham and yuan pairs don't seem trustworthy, so I'm moving to the Aussie and Kiwi pair. Adjusting the trade amount and analyzing the chart, I'm gonna hit the higher button. So looks like buyers hit a resistance point and paused for a break there. Now they're ready to push again, so we're looking for an upward move. Now, nailing technical analysis is super important for trading success. My deposit just went up again. So we'll focus on the Aussie and Swiss pair. And the investment amount is now 430. I'm expecting it to go up. Hit it. And there we go. Price drop, thanks to the bears, dipping below the lower Bollinger Bands. And I think that's the last of the downward trend before bulls take over. I nailed the direction again, and my deposit is now 825. Next. Now switching back to the Aussie and Canadian pair, adjusting the investment amount and going short in this time. The bears almost hit at the support level, but there's still a shot at breaking the minimum. Now, let's see if that was the lowest point. Either way, I made another return. Targeting the dirham and yuan pair. Now I'm going with 1000 and going short this time, hit lower. Now, the candles were above the upper Bollinger Bands for a while. The last push was the strongest, so as soon as I entered, it started dropping, so it's crystal clear. Perfect. Another successful trade. It's satisfying to trade wisely and see great results. Back to the Aussie and Kiwi pair, sticking with the same investment amount and going short. It seems both indicators suggest that the downtrend isn't over yet, so and with the help of our amazing indicators, we're now at 3,427. Now we have the Aussie and Swiss pair. Investment amount remains unchanged and going too long. Hit higher. And a new support level seems to be shaping up. The candles and Bollinger Bands make that pretty clear. And another successful trade, as expected. Let's keep going with a few more trades. And here, the Aussie and Canadian pair. Investment amount remains as it is and going short, so press the button. After figuring out the minimum, we saw a reversal, but now after some big bullish pushes, it's heading down. So one more successful trade. Now let's move on to the last trade for today. Our primary pair for the day is dirham and yuan. Expecting them to dip, so hit the button. A powerful impulse like this is unlikely to reverse the trend, so wow, just made 6,187 this session. Pretty cool, right? Now the MACD and Bollinger Bands indicators have been exceptionally reliable. Well, what do you think of the results? Remember where I started? This is how I make effective trades. Now you know I can achieve impressive results. Making an average of 750 per day is not just possible, it's absolutely realistic. If you still have any doubts, subscribe to my Telegram channel and see for yourself. Dive into all the educational content, witness our daily live sessions, where subscribers trade using real entry points, and see how grateful they are for the trading and the opportunity to be independent. Once you're comfortable, you can start trading alongside me from scratch. Experience working with the platform firsthand. And remember, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask me. I'm here to guide you through everything, including details like which buttons to press. There are no silly questions in trading. You can join the channel absolutely free in the coming days. So don't hesitate, click the link in the description or the first pinned comment. That's it for today. See you soon. Bye.